I didn't think today would come. Going back and forth about it, didn't know if I was ever going to be acknowledged, actually even getting the play button. But today, we got it. We got it, guys. 2 years. It's taken 2 years to get this package. And I want to thank you. Today's not about me. Today's about everyone that's been riding with me for the last 2 years. Roll that famous intro. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to iTrustStream. Yes, today we are talking about, today we received the silver play button from YouTube, and I just wanted to acknowledge it. I wanted to acknowledge you, and I wanted to give back to you guys again. I do have a few boxes that I wanted to give away. I did receive a care package. I can't show it yet. I have to do the video first, but I have another giveaway that's coming. I do want to give more frequent giveaways, so if you guys can go ahead and hit that like button for me and comment below. And the people that have been riding with me since the beginning of this channel has been on YouTube for 2 years. I've been working hard at it for 2 years now, and to be acknowledged for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. 100,000 of you have said, yeah, I like his stuff. I'll click subscribe. So for doing that over the last, and being with me for 2 years, I want to take the time and meet those people that have been riding with me since the beginning, that has told me that one day I would actually get this. Due to our genre of our YouTube channel, I didn't think that we were eligible to get this. So went back and forth with YouTube, and they had to do a full investigation of my channel. They had to go through each and one of my videos. Because I didn't get it right away. At 100,000 subscribers, I did 100,000, and I contacted YouTube, and they said that we have to submit it to the higher ups of YouTube for them to personally actually open up a case and actually go through my videos and see if it meets their expectations of getting one of these. A lot of people that have been in this community didn't even receive it, or they got demonetized. I never got demonetized. I've had a couple community guideline strikes. I had a couple copyright strikes from from companies, talking about music and stuff like that, but that's about it. And they had to go, and it took 3 weeks. So they got back to me after 3 weeks, and they wanted to let me know that after further review, I am eligible to receive my 100,000 plaque. And I wanted to share this moment with you guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at this guy. So it's actually a lot nicer than I thought. On the front, it says presented to iTrustStream for passing 100,000 subscribers from YouTube. For YouTubers, this is like the all-be-all goal in the end. I started YouTube maybe 5 years ago on a different channel, and let's go ahead and put that right there. Watch this thing fall and breaks. For YouTubers, it takes, countless hours, like, not to bore you guys or to open up a door that we don't really need to go open up, but 5 years ago I started a project called IPTV, and IPTV got up to about 8,000 subscribers, and it's pretty much a vlog channel. I still have it, I haven't put anything on it, but we got up to about 8,000 subscribers organically just through building cool little projects. And projects like with my brother. Me and my brother used to go get cars and go and flip them and try to make money on them, and we did that for a while, and we did that because we wanted to make money. We actually worked at a place called Quiet Cool, which is a whole house fan company. So Quiet Cool, I'll send you guys an invoice so you guys can pay me for the advertising. I'm actually really cool with them. I get to go see my the old people all the time, coworkers that still work there, and so it's really cool to see even that company grow. My brother and I used to work on these cars and make profits and do cool little projects like flipping Ruckuses, Honda Ruckus, and we would put these different motors on them, stretch them out really cool, and then go sell them for profit. So it was really fun, and this is something that it didn't really take off as much as what iTrustStream did. I always had a passion for tech. Tech has always been, I'm 50% gearhead and then 50% techie. So the other half of me is really into motors, into cars, into boating and stuff like that. But getting into selling fire sticks was like, selling the fire sticks was like a form of like extra money for my wife and I to go like to Disneyland. And back then, my wife and I, we combined, we probably made $60,000-$70,000 a year. And we lived comfortably, but in Southern California, it wasn't really super comfortable, but we had a nice apartment, we had okay cars, we had our health and we were fine. And it was before any of that, I wanted to do some fire stick videos because, one, I thought it was really cool. Two, I thought I could make some extra money. And then three, it turned into an actual part-time job. And then getting into other things like IPTV was completely, I didn't expect any of that. I didn't think that this channel would actually take off until I think 2 months into starting the channel, I surpassed what I did for 3 years on my old channel. And I was like, all right, I'm on to something. I was like, there's a lot of people that like to see this. And back then it was doing like Cody reviews. So doing the Cody reviews, it was, people would submit their builds and I would do a review on it, what I liked about it. And I never showed my face. And then slowly, people would tell me like, hey, you should show your face, you should show your face, So I'm like, all right, well, I guess I'll start doing a talking head style. And then it kept going and then we hit 10,000, then 20,000, then 30,000. And I was like, crap, it's starting to go. And then after a year, 1 year on YouTube with iTrustStream, it was we hit about 40,000 subscribers. So it was last year we grown over 66,000 subscribers, which is, if I was posting every single day, it could probably be even more, but I'm super grateful. And I wanted to thank you guys. This channel has literally changed my wife and I's, it's changed our lives. Purchasing a brand new house in Southern California, in a very nice home. And didn't think that I would ever get there at my old job. My old job never really provided that type of luxury as actually maybe renting a home, but never going out and putting in like close to what we put down on a house. Like it was, that's a whole nother story about it. But to buy multiple brand new cars, to buy the boat that I've always wanted as a young boy, to go out and buy that, to my beautiful wife being pregnant now, or for us being pregnant, with our first child. Honestly, guys, this video is not about me. It's about thanking you, because you guys watching this channel changed seriously our lives. And I'm forever grateful and forever in debt to you guys, because you all made it fun for me, and I never thought it would be into a place to where it could be. And I asked a lot of questions when this channel was starting, and the first person and the only person that actually really did reach out was Touchtone. And I wanted to thank you too, because you gave me a lot of pointers. I was at 8,000 subscribers and you gave me so many pointers of like, you should try this. Content like this might give you more views. And it had nothing to do with like IPTV or anything like that. It was all just tips on how to do this. All that other stuff, it came organically. And learning that having a product on YouTube will always surpass the AdSense money that you make. We make enough money to actually pay for our car payments, all of our car payments on AdSense, which is fantastic. But if you're an up and coming YouTuber looking for advice, coming out with a product is what's gonna get you the big bucks. A lot of people do merchandise. A lot of people come out with like subscription services, of course, but it's something to provide on your channel that would help, that would generate the revenue. And honestly, this channel, you guys watching and subscribing to my stuff, to give us a fantastic life. And I just wanted to say thank you. My wife says thank you. She's downstairs making some food because our niece's birthday is today. She's turned 3 years old, so happy birthday, Abby. Wanted to say, I know Abby watches these videos, so I wanted to say happy birthday, Abby. My little niece turned 3 years old today. So we're having a little party here at the house, and I just came in the mail, and I looked at it, and I looked at my wife, and I was like, we did it. What's next? $1 million. So again, and to my loving wife, for putting up with and taking the risk. And that was the biggest thing, was my wife saying, yeah, go do YouTube. Quit your day job that provides for our apartment at the time, providing everything else. Go ahead and go do YouTube. Hopefully you make a lot more money than $500 on your AdSense, because that's not gonna pay for the bills. So she took a lot of sacrifice. And babe, I just want to say I love you so much for saying yes to YouTube, because YouTube got us here. And I just working at that day job, having consistent income, and then just saying, hey, I need to come home to make content so this could grow. And then the moment that this was surpassing my paychecks of what my day job was a machine operator, that's when I was like, you know what? I know I can turn this into something great if I keep my head focused on this and taking the risk. And she said, I'll ride with you into whatever we do, you know, even if this was to fail, I wouldn't judge you. And having a wife that has a lot of faith in her husband to take that big leap, that says a lot. And I'm forever grateful, because it's gotten us here. Just want to thank you guys. So today is about you. I'm going to be picking out people's comments that comment on this video. Make sure to click like on this video. Again, we did it. We did it as a community. We got this. So I'm going to be picking out some people. I'm going to be giving some boxes away. If you say winner, I need your email. So if I comment on there, it says winner, you have to come back with me with your email address so I can get your information right away. I got a bunch of stuff I'm going to give it to you guys. So I'm going to give you guys some free months of Glitch. Guys, go down and check down the links in the description. It helps pay for this channel. And guys, go follow me on Instagram. Come on, we need to get to 30,000. I'm close to 30,000, I think, on Instagram. So go down to the links below and follow me on Instagram. Maybe I'll follow back. Maybe. This is iTrustStream. And until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later. This is gonna go right here. This is gonna go right. Does that look good there? You let me know in the comments below. See you guys a little bit. Later.